got another unboxing for you guys. This is from Mart. Like I've mentioned before, this is where I get like 95% of my nail products. This is my one-stop shop. So I got another SW1 because this one I go through it like crazy. And I got SN1 and SN2. The Cocoa's Rainbow Top Coat, the really sparkly one, the reflective one. That's the one I'm looking for, the reflective glitter one. I also got an American Creator base gel underneath this, or just any hard gel, any builder gel, even if it's a soft gel. Base gel is really good. Their American Creators base gel is very good. I really like theirs. I just recently started transitioning to this one. I know when I did my nails, I used the X-Bond from Accents. So at one point I had actually ran out of the X-Bond and I was using this, and I like this a lot better. So I feel like I'm kind of like pulling towards this one a little bit more. I just wish I knew that when I did my video, when I did my own nails, because then I would have obviously used this one instead of X-Bond. Got the non-wipe crazy top from Jin B. This one's really good, and I love that it's in a pot, because you get to use all of the product. I feel like the top coat goes on way smoother, if that makes sense, when it's in a pot. What I did too, because I still had a lot of my Cocoa's one, once I ran out of the other one that I had of the Jin B, I poured the rest of I cleaned it out really good, poured the rest of my Cocoa's in there, and I've been using that too. And it's crazy just how much easier everything is if it just comes in a pot. I got more of these pouches that I store all of my implements in. I clean and I sanitize and sterilize all of my implements at the beginning of the day. And I have like 10 sets of everything, so I kind of just have enough to get me through the day. The Adore Professional Gel Oval Brush. So this one's actually like the oval brush, the gel brush, and then a liner brush. Because you know how I go in after I lay the gel? I go in with a liner brush. So I was like, you know what, let me try the ones that have this, that already have the liner on there, because then that way I could just flip it and then go there. And then I got the Nail Mart one too, that it's also the gel brush and then the liner brush on the other side. At these two ball bits, this one, it's so hard to see. You can kind of see the ridges a little bit, but this one is good for when you're doing gel X, seeps out, the gel kind of seeps out from like the side of the nail tip. This is really good to clean that area up, or like if you want to clean up the cuticle area, if you're doing gel, acrylic, or anything like that. These are really good because they're so fine that it won't take off too much product. So yeah, that's everything that I got. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I am more than happy to answer any of you guys' questions. Again, I do have a code with Nail Mart. It's Peyton Manny for a discount. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about any products that I mentioned, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Bye.